Caucasian. Look how they make them peas fly. He with them Asians. I'm in it for the long ride, no hesitation. I've been here for a long time for being famous. I wake up every day, I swear to God I make a play. They lining up for nuggets like this shit is Chick-fil-A. I'm scoring all these buckets like I'm in the NBA. And if you wanna...
Well, as you can see, what we're working on today is this 79 AMC Concord, the Wagon. This thing is actually pretty dope. Not actual wood paneling, but it looks like it, so it's cool. Reagan Bush 84, tell me that ain't cool. They call this thing Gertrude, so that's what the tag's gonna say. Is this thing leaking something?
Yeah, it's leaking fuel.
Yeah.
I hear your little knockers there.
Well, it's definitely pumping through these. You can feel it running through them. They're getting warm. Check the temperature.
Cold, pinned all the way down. The AMC has taken liftoff. Straps are dangling. The boys are back in town. Getting the wiring for the fuel pump.
Keep going. A little more. Alright, hold it there.
We also get a good look at the rust here. Jinkies. And get a good look at some of them. Somebody put fiberglass there, but horrible. Didn't even take care of the rust or nothing first. As you can see, drop of the tank. Y'all seen short little clips of that. Left this side of the straps on. There is some rust here and there. The rear pumpkin is sleeky and rear can use serviced. Oh, the shock, you can kind of see it there. Rotted. David yesterday, me and him went and got some new fuel line for the old sending unit because you can't find these anywhere locally, and places like Barrett, the parts warehouse, don't even carry anything for this car. Nothing in their listings for this car. We did some flaring of the nipple that was rotted. We made it work and got some line that fit a lot better because they were using the same size as this for this smaller one. All right, here's what's going on with the AMC. Yep. I don't know if we got any videos and stuff of this shit.
Come on. That's the motherfucking feed and return up there. Evap right there.
We're about to go on the maiden voyage since fixing the fuel leak in the old AMC. We got Cody driving. Let's get it. Oh, it's running good. That's really all we needed to know. Something's fucking wobbling around up here. I think I might have already told him there were some bushings fucked up. I just can't remember.
We're just trying to get the temperature up.
We are losing throttle again. We just gotta make it back to the shop. We're on the home stretch, but just now it's starting to get hot.
Yeah, it's at 160. It's staying cool though.
Davey's getting ready to start doing that thermostat. Already got the hoses pulled. We're also going to do the distributor. First, we got to put it top dead center, as Mortsky would say, flexi hose. So that's what we got going on. Timing mark lined up, got it on compression stroke, top dead center. Davey's taking the cap off the Dizzy right now.
She's pretty clean.
The cap was new, the Dizzy was not.
Look how she was running. Cylinder number 1 right there. She's got some oil. She's running richer than Bill Gates.
Yeah. I like that one. Cleaning that thermostat housing up pretty good. Inside, I know. Got a pick in it. We got Cameron on the job now. We got the manual out. Big book, big bushka, new thermostat.
New babushka, old babushka. Oh, crusty, fresh.
Cameron cleaned the surface up right there. Well, we did notice that the heater core hose is pretty collapsed. Here, the rotor is what, facing
Straight at me.
yeah. Opening up the new distributor.
Oh, comes with some snacks.
Oh yeah.
My favorite.
Hell yeah, brother. Did it kick out towards us some? The guy on the, huh?
It kicked, like, when I went in, like, watch. It's like dropped.
Oh, it goes that way?
Yeah.
You might want to move it over slightly so that it drops in where we want it. Unless that is where we want it.
That's where it was in the picture.
That's where it was? Okay.
Oh, it's metal.
This just come out of the thermostat housing, no, out of the head where the thermostat housing goes up into. David's cleaning it up so we can put the gasket on.
All over the place from it?
I don't know.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Yeah, it cut his hand pretty bad.
Cut his fingy?
Okay.
Let me see that thing. That thing's like wire. And it's crazy. And what else is in there, David?
I don't even want to stick my finger back down
No, I
there.
don't blame you. Fuck that.
Yeah, and we done resurfaced the housing and everything. So, new dizzy's in, new thermostat's in. Think it's all timed right again. Topper off.
I'm gonna start it with the radiator cap off and the radiator. Hopefully, we can fill it to the top so we can see the thermostat open.
But I think that's the last of our coolant.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go in.
His fingers are clear, right?
Yeah, I'm cleared, right? Uh-oh.
Hold on. Don't do that again.
We'll be back.
Fix the leak. Fix the spark plug. Put the new dizzy in, new thermostat. And it's running great. There's like a fan or a pulley or something screeching from hell, but
Can you shut it off?
want me to? It started spitting and sputtering. He hooked up the vacuum advance and now it's really so good, so good. It sounds great right now. No exhaust even works back here. It's all up there popping out the manifold.
Yep, it added a few degrees. Alright. It just added a few degrees. The mark went to the left a little bit. So that's right? It sounds good, yeah. The base timing was set only a few degrees off. A little bit more advanced or something. Alright, shut it off because this plug wire don't look like it's... Dude, look at, there's a temp sensor just sitting on the header. That could be another reason why, right? I don't know. It's got a fucking wire to it and all.
And that thing's not plugged in. What's that, windshield wipers?
What's this?
Yeah.
You heard it? Yeah.
Yeah, it
Try to
gets
stay
worse.
on. Yup, look, they stay on constant. Go hit the switch and see if you can get them to turn off.
Gotta figure it out. Wiper washers. You gotta shut up.
coming?
I'm gonna move the Jeep out the way. It sounds a little different now. Oh, well, you're back here too?
It's Cheech and Chong mobile, it feels like.
It's that 70s show mobile.
Look at the ants in this bitch.
Ants.
Didn't drive terrible before. It was when it got warm. Like, me and Cody took it for the test drive. We made it past our house, and then it started fucking going nowhere. It felt like.
You and Cody
Spinning tires and shit.
Was it?
No, I just think it's a crunchy ride. Why is there a fucking washer glued to the window?
Oh, what?
I don't
washer in
know.
the window.
Oh, the glued washer on the. Yeah.
That's weird. Was it popping like that up front when y'all drove it?
We
Yeah.
didn't drive it.
Josh just said, hey, him and Cody took it.
But not before, not after the distributor.
No, he's talking about the pop, like suspension pop or
that?
something.
Gotta be that manifold.
That
That
I don't
one is
know.
back there.
no,
All the
it's
metal
like the
things.
brakes.
I don't even know.
It's honestly doing really good right
Does it
now.
ever have power?
Huh?
It's an inline 6.
Yeah, but like...
That was to the floor?
No.
Yeah, no, once it loses power, you will know. If it even does it, with the thermostat good and the new distributor, it might be good to go, bro.
Yeah, it's at 180 operating temp.
Definitely fluctuates. How's it know what the temp is when fucking it's sitting on the header?
I'll tell you though, if we make it to Cat Swamp and back, then it's fixed.
This gauge is
Reading the manifold.
no, it's a separate sensor. It's an
I didn't know there
aftermarket
was
one in
I
the,
didn't know there was one up there.
it's in that coolant line. Remember where I was like, is there a leak here?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna turn around at home dude's house.
Yeah.
That's to the floor.
You gotta remind yourself to fuck inline 6. From what the
Oh
6
my
is.
god.
Did somebody take the wheel loose?
No. It was like that when me and Home Dude drove it.
It's still at 180. It's running. Yeah, it's not overheating no more, Josh. It ain't getting hot.
It was overheating before?
Yeah, it overheated on the way to the house. That's why he did the thermostat. Fucking, I guess he fixed it. He's doing good.
Only 22, I got 22 on my dash. Only spending 20s, I put the blues in the stash. She see I got plenty, that's why she call